Language translator. A language translator is a software that converts a high-level language program into a machine language. There are three types of language translators. Assembler. An assembler is a program used to translate assembly language into machine language so that the computer can understand it. The assembler enables the computer to convert the assembly language instructions into machine code, that is, zeros and ones. Compiler. A compiler is a software that converts the entire source into machine language before executing it. It converts the entire high-level language program into machine language at once. It displays the errors for the whole program together. Interpreter. An interpreter is also a separate program that An interpreter is also a separate program that converts the entire source program into machine language before executing it. It translates and executes one statement at a time. It displays the errors one line at a time and goes to the next line only after the error is corrected.